So it has the P0521 and P0523, which is the engine oil pressure switch, high voltage. It's gonna be really hard to show it to you, but we'll see what we can do. That's the one. You have to remove this clip over here because otherwise you're not gonna be able to get it. That one. So I ended up using this long screwdriver to remove that clip, which I got it already. Here it is. Got this one too. Here, this one. So I can have more access to that sensor. You see, that black one is disconnected already. Let's wait for the fuel line. I'm gonna remove the fuel line. It's disconnected now. I got it. Wow. Here you go. Some of them, they come with the filter. Some of them, they do not. So I'm gonna check if it has a filter. I'm gonna stick this one inside like that and pull it out. I'm gonna be using a mirror to take a look at it, see if it has a filter. Yes, it has a little filter. This one to pull it out. Okay, got it. Here's the filter. Here. Okay. So like I say again, use this one and you see how it will go inside. And then, boom, pull it out. It's a new one. Okay. I put the filter. I put the sensor with the washer. Now, here's my socket. Right here. This one to tighten it. Extension. You know what? Let's Better if I use a swivel like this. I see where the extension is. Okay, there you go. So to remove it and to put it in, do it like this. I didn't use the swivel the first time. Okay. There's the sensor and the connector. If you want to put that clip, it's up to you. This one. Okay, so I reset it already and the check engine light is not on anymore. Yeah, no codes present, so it's good. I'm going to show you where that sensor is, the oil pressure. Okay, so I finished removing the head, the exhaust. Well, that's not the point. I mean, the point is the sensor. That's the sensor. That's the oil pressure switch sensor. So basically, that's the one I was doing the other day on the other truck. I mean, the other GMC. It's that one right there. So that's why there's no way, there's no access like to put the cell phone or the camera. There's no access to put the camera and show it to you how to remove this thing. Okay,